before dismantling any part of the machine. To replace the exhaust filter, slide the top filter retaining ring around and unclip the latch. Do the same with the bottom filter retaining ring. Pull the reinforced strips out of the housing slot and remove the filter. Wrap the new filter around the machine, pulling it tight. Insert both sides of the top reinforced strip into the slot. Push the rest of the strips firmly into the slot to the bottom of the vacuum. Replace both retaining rings and slide the latches to the side of the vacuum to keep them out of the way.